Tired of fumbling through your wallet while trying to snag that perfect deal? Let's ditch the plastic and show you how to add your Afterpay card to your phone's digital wallet for seamless shopping, both online and in-store. First, open the Afterpay app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to roll. This is where the magic begins. Look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a few icons. Tap the one that says card. It's usually located in the center, and it looks like a debit card icon. Alright, here's your virtual Afterpay card now. Depending on your phone, you'll see the Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Google Wallet button. We are so close to a wallet-free life. Let's go with Apple Wallet for this example. But no worries, Google Wallet users, the process is super similar. Tap Add to Apple Wallet. Your phone will now guide you through the Apple Wallet setup. Approve the card and follow the on-screen instructions. It's usually just a tap of a button or two. And that's it. Your Afterpay card is now safely stored in your digital wallet. When you're ready to pay in store, just hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal and authorize the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification. And just like that, you've made your purchase using Afterpay through your digital wallet. Enjoy ease and convenience, and never fumble in your wallet again. And don't forget to subscribe and like for more awesome Afterpay tips and tricks.